This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS and Capcut is installed. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network by opening Settings, selecting Wi-Fi, choosing the SSID, and entering the password. If you prefer mobile data, open Settings Cellular and toggle Cellular Data on for Capcut. Once done, force close Capcut and reopen it so the app requests network access cleanly. This prevents cached errors and ensures Capcut can reach its servers for Now you'll give Capcut explicit permission to use the internet. Go to Settings, scroll to Capcut, and confirm background app refresh is on and cellular data is allowed. This lets uploads and downloads run while the app is backgrounded. If you're on Wi-Fi with a login page, open Safari first and complete the portal sign in so Capcut can access external servers. Make sure low data mode is off for that network. Otherwise, transfers are throttled and media may not load. Finish by testing connectivity inside Capcut. Try importing a cloud asset or previewing online templates to confirm downloads start. If nothing loads, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular off and on, then relaunch the app. That often clears transient DNS or routing issues. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and, as a last resort, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared to reconnect afterwards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.